If you're a graphic designer, for sure it's very annoying for you to save pictures from Google and then realizing that it's not compatible with Photoshop. As you can see, it is a web file. How do you say this one? But worry no more, because there is a new extension that could help you save photos according to your preference. And that is what we call the Save Image as Type extension. As you can see here, I already installed it in Google Chrome extension, and it will allow you to save pictures as JPG, PNG, or other format. Like what we have here in our picture, all you need to do is just to right click and then choose this one, Save Image as Type, and then you can save it as JPG or PNG. So for example, I will be saving it as PNG. As you can see, the file type here is already at the PNG format. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.